G'day everyone, Paul from New Zealand on a somewhat wintry Sunday afternoon here. The sun's out, but it's pretty cold and I'm glad to be inside. So I'm going to really make some of the most of it actually and just share with you something that I came across through a mentor in just the last couple of days. And if you're like me, you're an online marketer, you've been there before, okay? You've viewed all the shiny objects. Probably like me, you've spent thousands of dollars on buying crap. Hey, that's me. No shame in it. But it's really hard to find something that works, right? Now, I've bought all the crap before. Recently, I bought high ticket items as well, thousands of dollars worth. And look, they're good. And I'm not going to pitch those right now because it's not appropriate. You will be aware of the ones if you've undertaken them, you may be selling them yourself. Great. You know if you're serious in this game that what it takes to earn 4 figures, 5 figures, 6 figures is determination, persistence, and working bloody hard. There's no easy get rich quick. That is just not how this industry works. Now, you might be fortunate enough to say, hey, that's crap. I own this and I own that. Great. Then you don't need me. Just, slide on and go to the next video. But if you've struggled with online marketing and you're still struggling with online marketing, me, you will be grateful every now and again for an honest review of something. And this is what I'm here to share with you today. I came across through a mentor actually, and it's a good program that's very low cost. So I do have a lot of respect for this particular person. And he introduced me to this program. It's a guy that's been involved in online marketing for years, apparently. I've never heard of him, but he's just up and coming with a new offer that he's just put out. And, to be honest, it's not that cheap. It's not a $7 product. But it's not thousands of dollars either. It's sensibly priced, and I've been through it, and I can say that it's value for money. Okay, I have no qualms about having spent the money on it. And if you're an online marketer, then you get commissions, and you get a second tier commission as well, which is absolutely awesome. And it's about essentially Facebook organic traffic for free, no ads, no solo ads, no paid ads. Comment below if you're interested.